Hello and welcome to a new day. It's 9:45 local time and we are on the way to Kosovo. After that, I think we're crossing to Albania instead of Macedonia, just because of the road. And then we head up direction Croatia and find a hotel. Let's see how far we can get. Well, that's it for now. I show you the map, that way you know how far we get.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it away. Tonight we're gonna let it away. Tonight we're gonna let it away. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it away. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna let it away. Tonight we're gonna let it away. Tonight we're gonna let it away. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it away.
And we are in Kosovo. Yeah, looks like it's harder to get from Kosovo into Albania.
A few moments later.
So we're back after a little garage stop. Kawasaki's top box. We had problems with the days before, but now it totally fell off, or was about to. We saw it when we stopped at the gas station, and luckily right over the street there was a workshop. And they have been on lunch break and just came back. And also their cousin came to visit the mechanics. And that cousin lives in Germany, so it was easy to translate. I think they worked like for an hour on it, and 3 mechanics to weld that thing back together. And it's all I wanted was 20 euros.
this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back.
So we're in Albania now. Kosovo took much longer than we expected. Because first the luggage carrier thingy broke down. And there's a cow. Yeah, the Kawasaki luggage carrier broke down. And we drove like 50 kilometers after we got that all welded, like I said before, and now the Honda, the battery ain't charging. So the Honda has the Hayabusa battery at the moment.
Claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered.
Police is so nice here. What is this? Looks like a toll booth. Looks like a cheap one.
To what we have, you take us to the end.